Hey, Freedom Stakers. Freedom Staker here. Got something in the mail today. Let's see what I got. Hey, Freedom Stakers. Let's get into it. Today's package came to us from Cyclops Stacks. Said he had a line on some really shiny 40%ers. So I went ahead and I added those to the $5 face. Oh wow, they sent them in a tube. Huh. Nice. Nice. Wow, those are some stunners. Alright, let me get these separated by date. Oh, looks like they're all 1966 Philadelphia. 40% silver halves. So let's go ahead and grab them a new tube. Full tube of 66 Ps. Sweet. It's my first full tube of any 1 year of $50. Oh, hey, Senior Pacho. You covered in that Dos Pesos for me? Good job. I appreciate it. Let's get into the dimes. Actually put them in the tube this time. Huh. Sweet. Y'all don't know Cyclops Stacks, I suggest you guys go over there and get there. I think the only video he's put out so far is his Purge video, but it's good. I don't know what I'm doing, I can't see. Oh, let me get my loop. Separate these by date. always with Cyclops stacks, I got a good variety of dates along with a good variety of mint marks as far as the 64s go anyway. I had quite a few 64Ps. It's more 64Ds. Couple of 1963s. Looks like we might actually have enough for a full, for another tube. We'll check into that in a minute. Let's see. 1962s. Same thing with the 1962s. 1961s, got one more. '60s, got a few, 4 or 5 more. Into the 1950s, a couple of 1959s. 1958. Three 1957s. 1956. Still known for 1955s. 1954s. 1953. 1952. Into the 1940s. One in 1949. Couple of 1948s. And it looks like 4 1947s. Got one dime that is pretty slick around the edge right here, where the bottom part of the 8 is cut out. Go ahead and add that to my slick dime tube. I mean, it's only partially slick, but go ahead and separate these into mint mark. Start with the 63s. Philadelphia. Alright, let's separate the 1962 dimes by mint mark. guides you safely into your forever home. Once again, thank you, Cyclops Stacks, for sending me this awesome lot of Constitutional. If you don't know who Cyclops Stacks is, y'all are missing out. He doesn't have many videos, but the ones that he does are pretty freaking cool. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email on Facebook or Instagram. Link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.